Hello everyone, just got another online purchase here. Bought this at the same time and off the same retailer I bought the PRR-J1. This is a Bowser Atlantic, and I think it was one of the later versions that came out with a factory paint. You can see it has a little bit of a green tint to it, so it's a little Brunswick. And they did like a quick reassemble job on it, but somebody has changed out the headlight and the generator and the bell because they are of a Cal scale, more finer detailed brass and not cast metal parts. But it needs an air compressor that's missing and some pilot details, and we got a ladder on the tender, but I'm gonna fix it up a little bit more, and as you can see it runs pretty smooth. A little bit of noise in reverse. But not too bad. It's a brass frame version, so it probably is made out of parts that were left over. I have seen the zinc frame versions, and this one had a good amount of some zinc pest starting in the cylinders, and I had it apart. Kind of did a lot of epoxy and filing, sanding, and painting to make them look half decent. That's about it.